It's Simpol time, and this is Chef Tato, and today gagawa tayo ng partner ng ating mga tacos and nachos, ang chili con carne. Let's get cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na, ha-ha.
This recipe is part of the Simpol Cookbook series. We want to make cooking as simple as ABC. So, gagawa tayo today ng chili con carne. Ito maganda siyang i-partner sa ating mga nachos as a dip, sa ating mga tacos, or ating burritos with the rice. Kaya, it's very simple to do. We're using half a kilo of ground beef from Fresh Options. So, the first thing I'm going to do, hindi ako magsisimula sa gisa. Ang sisimulan ko ay isi-sear yung aking giniling. So, I have my pot here and I heated it to high. Before anything else, I will add my giniling to my very hot pot. Yan, ganyan. Lutuin ko yung beef before I add anything para magkaroon ng konting flavor. So, I want my beef to cook. Mag-brown siya ng konti. Yan, just leave it there. Yan, i-add ko na rin dito sa aking ground beef. Medyo nasaute na rin yung ating beef and our sausage. Ladagdag ko na yung aking 1 head of garlic. So, isang buong bawang. Onion. So, ito 1 large onion or 2 medium-sized onions. The more onions, the better. Yan. And, imimix lang natin siya. And, we will add our spices. We will be using cumin powder. This is optional. Kung wala kayong cumin powder, it's fine. But, I'm adding cumin powder. Paprika powder. Or if you have taco spice, so ready-made taco spice powder, you can use that as well. And we saute. And I will add just a teaspoon or tablespoon of sugar. The sugar is not to sweeten the dish, but it's to let our beef caramelize a bit, no? So, eto siya. Nagigisa tayo. Look at that, ha? Oil yan, hindi siya tubig, ha? Yung fat ng beef yung nagigisa sa ating beef, onion, sausage, garlic, and spices. And it's very important that we have a little bit of beef fat kasi that gives a lot of flavor. Of course, we will season with some salt. Just a little of salt at the start just to, help bring out the flavors of all our ingredients. And I have here 2 cans of cooked red kidney beans. So siya, malambot na siya. So, you can add other spices here if you want. You can make it spicy. It's very important na masarap yung sausage mo. If you don't have sausage, you can also use bacon. It will give a very smoky flavor. We've sauteed our beef, onions, garlic, spices, and sausage properly. We will add our cooked kidney beans. Ito siya. Yan. So, approximately mga half a kilo din yung dami niya. Look at that. We will add 200 grams, 1 pouch of UFC Filipino-style tomato sauce, yan, and 2 cups of beef stock, chicken stock, or water. Yan. Yan. And I will just leave this to simmer. And let's check on our chili con carne. So, you can serve it this way or you can make it thicker. But before we're done, paano ba siya maging chili con carne kung walang chilies? Kaya dadagdagan natin siya ng 2 to 4 tablespoons of UFC dried chili flakes. So, ito siya. So, depends on how spicy you want it to be. Yan, we add our chili flakes. We add 1 tablespoon of oregano. Yan. And of course, black pepper, ground black pepper. So, mix it all up. And we season with salt. Very nice, very rich yung ating chili con carne. So if you want a bit of tanginess, you can add around 2 to 4 tablespoons of dato puti vinegar. And our chili con carne is done. Sobrang happy ng ating, look at that, very meaty yung ating chili con carne. Try it at home, do it with your kids, have it with your friends, and remember, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!